Hello everyone, this is a transmission and oil change on 2014 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. Just want to make a quick video and show you guys where's the location of the bolt that will tell you that you should have enough oil in your transmission, because there's no dipstick. So I have my car, I already drained the oil from the transmission. Okay, so this drain plug right here, this is where the transmission oil plug if you remove this bolt, it will come out. So you'll remove this one first, and you'll have your drain bucket right here. So let it drain. I will go ahead and screw back my bolt just like this. Alright, so we are in the engine. I opened the hood, and that yellow cap you see, that's the plug where you will fill up your transmission. So go ahead and remove this plug. And I dropped it.
Oh no!
It's all the way there, but that's okay, we'll get it later. So that's your fill up transmission. So I got my funnel with this extension. So as you can see right there, I'm gonna insert it there, and with one hand I'm gonna hold this funnel, and with my other hand I'm gonna. Alright guys, so I just started the car. I'm letting it run a little bit for the transmission oil, since it was changed. So you want to hold your foot on the brake and go ahead and slowly shift through the gears for the transmission to get all that oil and lubricate. So go each position at a time like that, and let it work a little bit through. Just shift it through so the oil will get in between all those parts in your transmission. Alright, just like this. And then do it second time again. Make sure you hold your brake and the hand brakes, because it's rear and then neutral and then drive and then second and then low. Alright, so once you've done this, as you can see, I still have my oil life 10% and all that. So we're gonna reset it. We're gonna go to settings, we're gonna go to vehicle settings, and we're gonna do maintenance info, and we're gonna reset all of that. Oil filter done, tire rotation will be done at American Tire, air filters were replaced already, and the spark plugs I removed and I checked them. They look good, they don't need to be replaced. So we'll go ahead and hit the select button, and we'll go ahead and reset everything. Alright, so now everything is resetted. Your key light disappeared, so you want to go ahead and turn off your car. Got here a big cloth, old t-shirt. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna let you guys watch right here, and I'm gonna unscrew that bolt, and you'll see how the oil is going to come out. Let's go ahead and remove it. Alright, there you go. So let it come out until it stops. When it stops, when it's gonna drip very like one drip at a time, that means that's when the transmission has its level. And this is how you check that you have the right level of oil in your transmission. So I'll go ahead and screw the bolt back. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.